Today's video is brought to you by Sally Beauty. Sally Beauty is the one-stop shop for all things hair and nails, and they have some incredible deals going on right now. So be sure to check out the link down below, and I'll of course have all of the products used for these looks in the description as well. Moving on to the second design, I'll again be using another gel from the Naturalism by Finger Paints line. This one is a sheer milky color, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this, curing in between each coat. Now I'm going to take the color First Snow, which is a white color, and I'm going to draw in the free edge of my nail pretty roughly. I'm not too worried about the shape here, but I do want to make sure there's plenty of product on the nail, because next I'm going to be using a tiny little detail brush, and I'm going to create small circles along this edge to blend this white into the base color. And I don't have anything on the rest of my nail. I'm essentially just blending this into the sticky layer, but using this super tiny brush and creating tiny circles is what's going to give you a seamless effect. And because this is gel, it will naturally self-level, which also helps with that blended look. I also did take that white a little higher up onto my nail, like it was a stronger French tip, because I am going to apply another layer of the white a little further down so that the opacity of the white is gradual on the nail. I am doing these designs in gel, but you can absolutely do all of these in regular lacquer if you prefer. Just use the old sponging method for this gradient and you'll have virtually the same effect. So I cured that first layer of the white, and here I am going back in with the white, and I'm applying it a little bit higher up so you can see that concentration in the color is a little more saturated towards the tip to give you that seamless French fade effect. And you can stop here with your base, but I can't leave well enough alone, so I'm going to use this glitter that I really like. It's called Atomic, and it has the tiniest little gold glitters in it, and it's a really sparse glitter, so don't use this for building up and making a glittered manicure, but for over top of a design like this, it is gorgeous. And spoilers, I'm going to be adding some more sparkle to this design next, so I thought might as well. Another big trend this season is 3D decor, and again, it's not new, but it's back and I love it. So for this design, I'm going to first apply a top coat to seal in all that work we did. And by the way, you can totally stop there with that manicure. It is so pretty and festive on its own like that. But if you're a little extra, or you want a little extra sparkle, you can add some 3D rhinestones, and I just applied these with nail glue, but if you prefer, you can also attach these with the gel and then cure that in the light, and that'll also give you a really good hold. And I'm just staggering the size of these, and I'm kind of trying to make it go gradually up my nail like the French fade. But here is the finished result. It's so fun. So fun. You want to elevate a plain outfit this season? Pop on a manicure like this. This is going to be the showstopper. And as always, thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. And if you ever have any video requests or ideas, you can always share them in the comments down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.